All right, class, lesson 58. We're going to write quotients, which is the answer to a division problem, as a mixed number. Now, we've done this in a couple lessons already. We checked it out in 40. We checked it out in 43. And now we're just going to do it one more time here to make sure we have it down. Saxon likes to repeat itself. So we'll get right into it. We have a division problem here. We got our backside. Example number 1 says divide 50 by 3 and then write it as a mixed number. So how many times does 3 go into 5? 1 times. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract, you get 20. Bring down your 0, 20. How many times 3 go into 20? 6 times. 6 times 3 is 18. When you subtract, you get 2. Instead of putting remainder 2 here, we're going to write the 2 as our numerator, and we'll write the 3 as our denominator. 16 2/3 is our answer. Example number 2. Now this is a little bit easier to see because we actually have this board. Now we're going to build some shelves in the garage or something. We got this 15 long board. We want to cut it into 4 equal sections. Now you couldn't have a remainder with this. They'd be looking kind of strange. So go ahead and take your 15-foot board and divide it by 4. How many times is 4 going to 15? 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12. You subtract, you get 3. 3 is your numerator, and your divisor becomes your denominator. And so this was a 15-foot board, so we got 3 3/4 feet. And 3/4 of a foot, you would take the foot, 12 inches, and divide it by 4, and then multiply by 3. It would actually be a 3-foot, 9-inch board, but we just leave it like that. Okay, 3 foot, 3/4 feet long board, and you have 4 of them. Example number 3 says a group of friends collected aluminum cans and they received $21 for the recycling center for the cans. Each friend received an equal share of money. Which quotient represents the number of dollars each friend received? So we got a group of 4 friends. So 21 divided by 4. Well, we know 4 goes into 25 times. Subtract, you get 1. $5 and 1/4 of a dollar, which really would be $5.25. But here we left it like this. Now it asks which one. How about each person gets $5? You get 5, he gets 5, she gets 5, and you get 5, and then there's $1 left over that the teacher gets. I don't think that'd be very fair, right? And so we're going to write it out until we kind of get it as a mixed number. All right, let's do example A in box 4. We got 17 divided by 4. How many times is 4 going to 17? Think 16. Okay, good. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 minus 1 is 1. That becomes your numerator. Your divisor becomes your denominator. 4 1/4. Letter B, 20 divided by 3. I think it's still easiest to put in the box. How many times does 3 go into 20? 3 goes into 20 6 times. 6 times 3 is 18. When you subtract, you get 2. 2 becomes your denominator. 2 becomes your numerator. 3 becomes your denominator. Okay? That was a bad arrow. There you go. And last one, let's do the last one here. 31 divided by 8. Still, it makes sense to put it in the box. How many times is 8 going to 31? 3 times. 3 times 8 is 24. And when you subtract, you get 7. 3 7/8. The remainder becomes your numerator, and your divisor becomes your denominator. Okay, guys, it was a quick review lesson for us. Check out our next video to get some help on your assignment.